Welcome all students. Today we will see the characteristics of IoT. So the fundamental characteristics of the IoT, that is Internet of Things, are interconnectivity, things related services, heterogeneity, enormous scale, safety, connectivity, intermittent connectivity. So see one by one. The first one is internet connectivity. Internet connectivity with regard to the IoT, anything can be interconnected with the global information and communication infrastructures. The device to device connectivity, device to the local servers or the global server, that is the cloud based server. So this is the first characteristics of interconnectivity amongst the different devices. Another is things related services. The IoT is capable to provide the things related services within the constraints of the things, such as privacy protection and the semantic consistency between the physical things and the associated virtual things. So in order to provide the things related services within the constraints of the things, both the technologies, the physical world and the information world will change. Now, third characteristics is heterogeneity. Heterogeneity, the devices in the IoT are heterogeneous and are based on the different hardware platform and network. Heterogeneous, the technology, or you can say the network, the different networks the devices are connected, or the hardware platforms, because of every device has their own hardware specifications. So that's why the hardware platform and networks both are different. That's why the heterogeneous characteristics of this one. So they can interact with the other device or the service platform through the different networks. So dynamic changes, the state of device change dynamically, that is sleeping and waking up, connected or disconnected, as well as the context of device including the location and speed also. So the number of devices can change dynamically. So this is one more thing, that this is the things that is heterogeneity. Another is enormous scale. Enormous scale, the number of devices that need to be managed and that communicate with each other will be at least an order of magnitude larger than the device connected to the current internet. So even more critical will be the management of the data generated and their interpretation for the application purpose. So this relate to the semantic of data as well as the efficient data handling. So enormous scale, because the number of devices, because every devices is required or is need to be managed and also to communicate with each other with at least a particular order of magnitude that larger than the device connected to the current internet or other. So it's a very critical management. So this is enormous scale. This is another characteristics of the IoT. Now another is safety. Safety is an important, we should not or we must not forget about the safety as we are gaining the benefit from the IoT. So at the both the creator and the recipient of the IoT, we must design for safety. This includes the safety of our personal data and the safety of our physical well-beings, securing the endpoints, securing the network and the data moving across all of it means the creating a security paradigm that will scale. So safety is an important in the IoT. Next one is the connectivity. So connectivity enables network accessible and compatibility. So accessibility is getting on the network, while the compatibility provides the common ability to consume and produce the data. So both of the things is very important because of Without connectivity, the data cannot be transferred from one device to another device or up to the server for the processing. And then the response from the servers is again sent it to the actuators where the action is to be taking place. So it's accessibility of the network is very important. And another is compatibility, because of what happens, the common ability to consume and produce of the data from the different devices. So the compatibility between the different devices or the network should be there. So it's one of the important characteristics of the IoT. Now last one is the intermittent connectivity. Intermittent connectivity, IoT devices are not always connected in order to save the bandwidth and battery consumptions. So every time if there is no changes in the environment data, so it should be not to be centered the data, or it should be save the bandwidth and the battery consumption. So devices will be powered off periodically when not in use. Otherwise connections might turn unreliable and thus prove to be inefficient. So these are the different characteristics which we have discussed. In commonly we can say there are massive, scalable and efficient of the IoTs. The IP addressing will be no longer be suitable for the upcoming futures. These are all some maybe the things. An amendment of the physical objects is present and does not use the IP, so the IT made the possible. Sometimes the device typically consumes the less power, and when not in use, that should be automatically programmed to sleep. And a device that is connected to another device right now may not be connected to another instance of the time. So in that way, the characteristics of this IoT are interconnectivity, things related services, heterogeneity, enormous scales, safety and connectivity, and the last one is intermittent connectivity. So this all of the about the characteristics of the IoT. Thanks to all. Thank you, students, all of you.